For years, Babbel has been the safe, reliable answer for language learners. Jumpspeak is the new app that's betting AI conversation practice can do what structured lessons cannot. I've tested both apps, and here's my candid take on which one is best. Babbel and Jumpspeak aren't trying to do the same thing. Babbel is built to teach you a language from the ground up: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening. Jumpspeak only has one goal, which is to help you feel more at ease when speaking aloud. So ask yourself, are you looking to build a solid foundation and a new language, or do you only need some freestyle conversation practice to bridge the gaps? If you've ever collected a bunch of vocab but had no idea how to use it in a sentence, Babbel was built for that problem. So let's say you're still a little confused about how to string words together correctly. What works with Babbel is that grammar shows up inside your lessons the way it shows up in real life, in the middle of a sentence, and when you're trying to figure out why something sounds off. Quick callouts simply explain the pattern behind what you've just practiced. After about 6 weeks of working through the French lessons, something shifted for me. I stopped hitting a wall every time a verb ending changed, because by that point, I actually understood why it was different. I wasn't just memorizing anymore, and I was starting to build. Sometimes, maybe it feels like no matter how much you study, you just can't get new words to stick for long. This is where Babbel comes in, repositioning vocab from prior lessons right when you're about to forget it. What you learned in week 2 shows up again in week 6, and you essentially choose how to review: flashcards, listening, speaking, or writing. Fortunately, Babbel isn't boring either. There's so much variety in the types of drills they have you do that it truly never gets old. Sure, there are some standard matching and fill-in-the-blank activities, but you're also constantly doing listen and repeat, image-based drills, and even mock conversations. The lessons move quickly, and you can knock one out in about 15 minutes. Beyond simply accessing your daily lessons, there are even more resources provided on the Babbel app. You can work in some multimedia practice by listening to a podcast, playing a quick game, or flipping through the Babbel magazine. I really appreciate these extras, both as a change of pace and because they each engage a different part of your brain. Now, here's my honest caveat on Babbel. It tops out at around the intermediate level, so if you're already past that, you'll feel the ceiling. For anyone starting from scratch or working through the early to intermediate stages, Babbel gives you a real foundation, which is harder to build than most apps make it sound. If you want to try Babbel, I've got a 55% off link in the description. Let's say, however, that you're an intermediate to advanced learner with a decent grasp of the language, but the moment a real person speaks to you, your brain stalls. That's precisely what Jumpspeak is designed for, helping you feel more comfortable opening up in conversation. The question is, can AI truly replace the human tutor? Now, they're definitely onto something. Jumpspeak is all about creating more natural opportunities for developing real-world conversation skills. Simply put, you just pick a scenario you want to practice. Dinner with a host family, your first week at a new job, visiting the doctor's office. These aren't scripted dialogues that you mindlessly follow. Go in any direction you want, and the AI will listen and respond. To me, one of the best parts is that you can even create your own custom scenario. Need to discuss a home project with a contractor? Try describing your vision to the AI tutor to see if it makes sense. I tested this feature in Italian, and about halfway through a workplace scenario, I felt myself starting to loosen up and feel more confident speaking up. Just when I got in the flow, however, the app didn't register what I was saying. I had to repeat myself several times and over-exaggerate my pronunciation for my AI conversation partner to hear me at all. It didn't feel like a natural conversation anymore and just felt forced. Also, the Jumpspeak lessons are quite basic. Think standard listen and repeat, multiple choice type of typical drills you'll find in any language app. The AI tutor is the real product, and everything else is just padding around it. Even the platform is just okay. But don't get me wrong, the interface has a sleek, modern design, and I didn't have any problems navigating the app. Simply put, it all just feels a little bare bones without any of the extra tools that Babbel includes. I will say though that the quick video clips at the top of each lesson are an advantage over Babbel. Babbel is text and audio only, and if you're a visual learner, seeing a native speaker's facial expressions and body language makes everything a bit more personal. The Jumpspeak audio tools are a mixed bag, and here's what I like. You can slow lessons down to 50% whenever you're trying to catch exactly how a tricky word is pronounced. But here's what you have to watch out for. speech recognition is a real problem. I made some obvious mistakes and Jumpspeak still marked me correct. Earning a passing grade when you're wrong means that you're at risk of forming bad habits that will be much harder to break down the road. Now, here's my hesitation with regards to Jumpspeak. I'm just not sure if they're worth the price. You're looking at spending around $70 for 3 months or $100 for an annual plan. But if you want the full AI tutor experience, you'll have to pay up even more for their premium AI tier. With Babbel, however, you unlock all of their features by paying about $8 to $15 a month, just depending on the length of access that you want. You know exactly what you're getting, whereas Jumpspeak promises these sophisticated AI tools, but then severely caps your AI usage if you're on the basic plan. That said, if you want to give Jumpspeak a try, check the description for a link. So how do you get the best of both worlds? Recently in 2025, Babbel released their own AI conversation tool, Babbel Speak. There are a few drawbacks though, as it's only currently available in Spanish, French, Italian, and German. Instead of allowing for totally free-flowing conversations, it guides you step by step through pre-planned dialogues. Honestly, Babbel's speech recognition does an accurate job at catching your mistakes, flagging errors that Jumpspeak waved me through. It's not perfect, but I just found it less frustrating to use than Jumpspeak's. Not to mention the constant glitches I experienced while using Jumpspeak, which really disrupted my flow. Now, here's my final verdict. To me, it's clear that Babbel is the winner. If you're building from scratch or working through the early stages of a language, nothing else at this price gives you a stronger foundation. If you already have a decent base and just need to get more comfortable speaking aloud, Jumpspeak can help with that. But don't expect it to teach you the language. For a full feature and breakdown, just Google Test Prep Insight, Jumpspeak versus Babbel. And we've got the full comparison chart on the site. We also give a free language learning app subscription every month. Drop a comment below to enter. Just tell me which one you're leaning toward. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.